the egg whites, the egg yolks. So what you're going to do, whenever you crack an egg, you never ever crack it on a corner. You always hit it on a flat surface. Lovely. So what we're going to do here, guys, is called a meringue. Who's whisked before? Who's used one of these? All of yous? Lovely. So, literally all you do is you just go crazy. You move it backwards and forwards, and you keep going for a very, very long time. So we got this little swirly plate, we have a tart shell. What we're going to do, and we have cream. Chocolate garnish.
And today, Rajin was our winner.